Hello, today I like to explain something regarding the calibration of such flange sensors. So you have a very short sensor and on top you have an flange, and this is a tree clamp flange, and of course you can use it and put it direct in the oil bars. So this is one possibility to make the calibration of such a sensor. But you can imagine if you have liquid around the sensor, so you come to different calibration results. And so that means I like to do this with a dry block calibrator. So, and by doing this, I use these special insert with for the dry block functionality, a special design. And you see here a drilling, and into this drilling you can put a reference sensor, and the cable, it's a cable sensor, you can move in this position. And that means the length of the sensor is the same as the length of the device under test. So you place the reference sensor on the same level as your device under test sensor, and so that means you can see, by doing this you can make a calibration even of such a kind of sensors with a dry block. So it means I have the sleeve, I put in the reference sensor cable in this direction a little bit. Then I have fixing screws, put in the fixing screws, assemble the fixing screws. So one side fixed, second screw. Cable a little bit in this direction. Also fixed. So that means now the reference sensor is fixed into the sleeve, and you can place the flange sensor in this direction. And last but not least, you place the insert into the block. And so that means everything is assembled in the block. Connect the reference sensor to the calibrator on the reference port. Connect your device under test, for example, on the integrated measuring instrument. And by doing this, with this setup, you can do a calibration of flange temperature sensors. Yeah, so that means sensor fits in flat, and the device under test and the reference sensor is on the same level. So with this setup you can do a calibration.